Imagine earning up to AUD 1,50,000 per year as a dentist in Australia. Sounds amazing, right? But how do you get there? What visas can help you move? And is it really worth it? Hello everyone, I am Sunidhi and I am your host. Welcome to Academically. In this video, I will break down the real earning potential for dentists in Australia and the best visa options to make your move happen. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap to kickstart your dental career in Australia. So without any delay, let's dive right in. But hey, have you subscribed to our channel yet? If not, then do it right away because we bring you all the things about healthcare career opportunities abroad. Now let's start with the most exciting part, how much you can actually earn as a dentist in Australia. For entry-level dentists, that is those with 0 to 2 years of experience, earn around AUD 80,000 to AUD 1 lakh per year. The mid-career dentist, that is around 2 to 5 years of experience, can earn between AUD 1 lakh to 1,20,000 per year. And the experienced dentist, that is having an experience of around more than 5 years, or specialists, can make AUD 1,50,000 or even more. But keep in mind that your salary depends on your experience, location, and whether you are working in a private clinic, public sector, or your own practice. Now, let's talk about how you can actually move to Australia. So there are several visa options available for dentists, but the right one depends on your experience and goals. Number 1, subclass 491 skilled work regional state-sponsored visa. This allows you to live and work in regional Australia for 5 years. It provides a pathway to permanent residency and requires state nomination. Now comes the subclass 407, that is training visa. This is perfect for dentists who need supervised training in Australia. But this is a temporary visa for up to 2 years. It's great for gaining Australian work experience before applying for permanent visas. Next up, we have subclass 494 regional sponsored visa. This is an employer sponsored visa allowing you to work in a regional area. This leads to permanent residency after 3 years and requires an employer to sponsor you. Now comes the subclass 482 temporary skill shortage TSS visa medium term stream. This is an employer-sponsored visa for up to 4 years, so you can apply for permanent residency after working for a few years. It is suitable for dentists who already have a job offer in Australia. Alright, now you know the salary expectations and visa options, but how do you get to these? Here are the steps you should take. Check your eligibility. Get your educational and degree certificate verified from the Australian Dental Council, that is ADC. Complete the ADC exam if you are an overseas dentist. Passing the Australian Dental Council exam is important to work as a licensed dentist in Australia. Apply for the jobs. Look for employers willing to sponsor you or search for jobs in Australia. Submit your visa application. Once you have the required documents and job offer in your hand, if needed, proceed with your visa application. And the main thing is, don't forget to enroll into the ADC preparation course to pass the exam on the first attempt. I hope this video helped you understand how you can move to Australia as a dentist. If you found this information useful, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any updates from Academically. If you have any questions, any doubts, or still any query, please drop them down in the comments below. I will be happy to answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Sunidhi signing off.